Have you ever thought about getting rewarded just for working? In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about the WalkTask app, what it is, how to register, how to set up an account, how to earn coins, and how to withdraw your rewards. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Want to make money online but not sure where to start? Whether you want a side hustle or a full-time income, on my channel, you'll find simple tips, side hustles, and online income ideas that work. So subscribe and let's make money online together. WalkTask is a free mobile app available on both Android and iOS. It tracks your daily steps and rewards users with virtual coins. These coins can be exchanged inside the app for gift card, PayPal, or other rewards depending on the country. The idea is simple: work more, stay active, and earn small bonuses along the way. Now, to get started, go over to Play Store or Apple Store and download the app. Once you have downloaded it, open the app and register using an email, Google account, or Apple ID. And registration is free. It only takes a minute. After registering an account, you open it and this is what the homepage looks like. Now, after registering, complete the profile setup. Add basic details such as your age, your gender, and your step goals. And allow the required permission so that the app can track your steps in the background. This ensures accurate step counting while walking or running. Now, there are many ways to earn using this WalkTask app, and one of those ways is by walking. For example, when you walk, steps are automatically converted into coins. For example, you see today I have only 25 steps, so let me try to take some steps and you see how it will increase. Let me pause the video. So I had 25, now it is 36. So that is one way to earn. Another way is by opening daily boxes every day, which are called treasure boxes. You can see this one here. So it says walk 164 more steps to earn coins, to earn extra coins. Then you can open the box. Another way is by watching optional ads or completing simple activities. So you can click on tasks. Here you check in daily. You check in and you do daily check-in on Telegram. You can also choose to do that. You can choose to invite friends, complete a survey, an offer, and when you click on bonus, you still see more ways to earn here. For example, you watch ads, you play, you complete surveys, and others. Okay. Now, when you have enough coins, you head over to the rewards section. You click on redeem. Now, the minimum withdrawal for me here is $5, which is 3,000 points. And there are many options available like PayPal, gift cards, Google Play, and so on. Now, you select the payout method you want, you confirm the request, and the withdrawal will be processed. Processing time and available rewards may vary depending on your location, so have that in mind. Okay, so that's how to make money here. Now, the only thing I don't really like here is that the rewards are small and adverts may sometimes fail to load, and sometimes, according to what people have said, the withdrawal can take some time. depends on what you choose. Okay, so work tasks should not be seen as a full-time income. So if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Turn on the bell of notification to discover more apps or side hustles that can help you earn extra income online. And do well to check out other videos on my channel. And before leaving, please kindly share in the comment section what you think about WalkTask app. Would you be trying it? And if you've ever tried it before, please give us your experience below. Thank you.